How to log into TJ Maxx Credit Card. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to talk about how you can exactly log into your TJ Maxx Credit Card account, or you can activate your TJ Maxx Credit Card. So in order to access your TJ Maxx Credit Card account, open your preferred browser such as Google Chrome on your device and search for TJ Maxx Credit Card Login in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then you will come across various and numerous options over here, indicating TJ Credit Card, My Account TJ Maxx TJX, and Rewards Credit Card, and more. From these various options, you're supposed to click on the TJX Credit Card in the top search. Click on it. Then you will be directed to this kind of main homepage. A login form will appear on the screen. And here in this page, you have to enter your correct form of your user ID and your password. After entering your user ID and the password in the respective sections, ensure to select the Remember User ID option if you want your device or your Google Chrome web browser to remember your user ID and your password. And in the case if you have forgotten your user ID or your password, you can click on this user ID option over here in order to retrieve your correct form of your user ID. And you can reset your password by clicking on this password option. If you haven't registered or applied yet for a TJ Maxx Credit Card, you can click on this Register and Apply option. And if you want to activate your card directly, you can click on this I want to activate my card option over here. After entering the correct form of your user ID and your password, you can simply click on this Secure Login option, which is highlighted in the pink color, and then you will be successfully logged into your TJ Maxx Credit Card account. So this was all about how you can easily log into your TJ Maxx Credit Card account. If you found this video to be informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.